Welcome to another episode of Learn Hindi the Easy Way with Jay. In this video, you can learn phrases related to ordering or asking for something. I asked for 2 rotis, but you have brought just one. Roti is similar to the round, flat bread similar to chapati. And मैंने 2 रोटियां मंगवाई, लेकिन तुम सिर्फ एक लाए हो. So she is upset that only one was brought. मैंने 2 रोटियां 2 rotis मंगवाई ordered or asked for, लेकिन but तुम you सिर्फ एक लाए हो, brought just one. मैंने 2 रोटियां मंगवाई, लेकिन तुम सिर्फ एक लाए हो. मैंने 2 रोटियां मंगवाई, लेकिन तुम सिर्फ एक लाए हो. मंगवाना is to ask for or order. मंगवाना. This guy is a bit sick and hence he says, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to watch TV. मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा, बस फिल्म देखने जा रहा हूँ. मैं कहीं नहीं nowhere जा रहा is going to or बस or just फिल्म देखने जा रहा हूँ going to watch, that is मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा, बस फिल्म देखने जा रहा हूँ. You can watch video number 48 and 49 to understand how you could phrase a sentence to say I'm going to or something is about to happen. You can also go to those videos clicking on the link here on top right. मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा, बस फिल्म देखने जा रहा हूं. As a learner of another language, it is important that you find the learning process quite easy. Hence, these videos are very short videos, easy for you to concentrate and learn almost daily. You can watch Instagram to learn quickly several words and phrases, and that can help you to learn to store repeatedly a lot of Hindi phrases, making it naturally come to you when you speak. The Instagram is wow_Hindi1. All the best to the Hindi learning. See you very shortly with another couple of interesting phrases.